So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-commerce website. Yes, you heard me right. I'm going to teach you guys how to create an e-commerce website and how you can grow your e-commerce website. Yo guys, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-commerce website. Yes, a lot of people have actually reached out to me and asked me if I have any tutorial regarding creating e-commerce website with WordPress, and I just felt like instead of me to do more of script tutorials and all that, I felt it's important I literally do one as regarding WordPress. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to create an e-commerce website with WordPress. Now all you need for this tutorial is just your domain name and your web hosting, and you can get started and build your website from beginning or from start to finish. So without further ado, let's get started. Now the first thing you need is a domain name and a hosting. So if you're just testing this out, it's fine, but if you're very serious, then you can literally follow me in the process, or you just click on the link in the description and we build it together. You watch the video, you go to your process, you build, and come back if you are making any mistake. So let's go. Now you come here, you type in the name of your business. So let's assume you have a boutique, so you could call it let's say your name is Daisy. So you could say daisywears.com. Now daisywears.com, you're going to click on search if it is available. Now sometimes this name might be taken by someone else in a different place, a different country, or a different city. So you want to ensure that the name is available before you start your building process, or before you create your e-commerce website. So now I'll search for it. As you can see, daisywears.com is not available, but daisywear.org is available, daisywear.board. So if you can't find the .com and you are not willing to change the name, so what you can do is to look for a different name that actually fits into your brand. So for example, for a e-commerce website that actually sells stuff like this, you could get a .store for it. As you can see, it is even cheaper for $1. As you can see, 0.98 cents, and you renew for $1.78. so daisywears.store can actually work. So other extensions could literally work. Now these are called domain extension. So you can also use .biz, but this is quite expensive in renewing because you own a business. And you can use other ones that are literally cool, and you can see there are 400 additional domain name that are regarding different industry. So because you are literally selling and you are in the fashion niche, so you look for your niche, shopping and sales. I think this should go well. You pick this, and you can also pick this at the same time. Or okay, let's start with this shopping and sales, and you can see auction, bargain, Black Friday. So you can even use daisywear.boutique. As you can see, it's very good. So now after picking this, let's assume we are picking daisywear.boutique. Click on add to cart. Now the next thing, I'm very sorry for the noise in the background, guys. Our new office is actually opposite the Thai road, opposite the main or major road, and so it's actually pinky sound from the main office, from the main road, sorry. So now you type in your name. Now we have selected daisywears.boutique. Now the next thing is to come to hosting. Click on shared hosting. Now on the shared hosting, pick the first plan, click on get started. So when you click on get started, you have the privilege to literally buy now, which is this. So you can buy it now. That's after clicking on the get started. Then you can buy it now, and you have it attached to your domain. Now once you get here, you click on new domain already in cart, which is this, and you have a total of $26.54. So if you convert that to naira, we should be looking at about 30,000 or so, about. So as you can see, this is the whole thing. All you have to do is to pay with your card. Now if you are in Nigeria, Namecheap does not accept your card because there's a ban on your card. So you could use cheaper cash or Bitsnob to make your payment here. And if you do not want to use cheaper cash or Bitnom, you can use cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, they accept crypto payment, so you can use crypto payment and do that. So guys, that is it guys. Let me remove this. I already have an account, by the way. I already have an account with Namecheap. I already have a domain name I'm going to use for this tutorial, but I just needed you guys to be aware of how this process is done, how this process is run, so you can literally carry it out. Now, after you purchase your domain name and your hosting, you'll be taken to your dashboard, which I'm going to log into my dashboard right now so you guys can see. Okay guys, this is how your dashboard looks like. As you can see, you have your dashboard, expiring domain list, and hosting. Now that you have done that, you purchase your domain name and your hosting. The next thing is to click on hosting, and on the side of your hosting, you're going to see log into cPanel. So that's actually gives you access to your cPanel. So I already have my cPanel opened here. So I already have my cPanel open, as you can see. So I already have my cPanel open here. So let's go to my cPanel. Now this is how the cPanel looks. So this is how it looks. I already have it open guys. So this is how it looks. And there are a lot of features of this cPanel. As you can see, you have your domains, redirect. You have to confuse yourself with everything here. So what you just want to do is to come to the left side and click on WordPress. I'm going to open this in a new tab, and then you go to WordPress. Now you have to give it some time to install completely. Now once it's installed, you're going to click on go to your website, but let's allow it install, as you can see, and it will be done. Okay guys, we have our website installed. So this is the admin panel. This is where our website is, as you can see. So I'm going to show you guys how the website look right now. So now every website you see that's created with WordPress, this is how they look at the beginning. As you can see, very boring guys. This is very boring. So it's you that will now try and start updating your website. So let's go to the admin panel and begin working. So this is the admin. Okay, now this is Namecheap AI. If you literally use Namecheap, you can use their AI to build your website. So let's do fashion or e-commerce. Let's see. Okay, I've not used this before guys. This is the first time I'm seeing this Namecheap AI setting. So let's see how we can literally see what we can do. Get images, those traffic, sell product, and click on next and pick a design. So this is very good. This is very slick, and I literally thought but at the end of the day, human building from scratch still feels better guys, still feels better. Okay, I think I don't like the template they provide, so I'm just gonna do my thing myself. So I've not used this before guys, but looking at judging from the template they have here, I can't use them guys. So let's go back. I don't need you. And let's build our website ourselves. So this is it. Welcome to our WordPress website, and this is how the website looks guys. This is how it looks. So now let's begin customization. Now before we begin customization, let me explain what you have here on the left side. Now on the left side you have your site assistant. This is Namecheap doing their thing, and this is your web hosting doing their thing. If you want to, you can install most of these things that you literally have here, but it's better you just go through it and do it yourself, because as you saw guys, the first place, the site builder, they actually had less or boring template. So I literally do not want to use that. So that's it. So site status at a glance, activity, WordPress news and event, welcome, and this is what I want here. So now on this left side you have your post. This is where you create blog post if you want to. You have your media. This is where you add images and videos. You have your pages. This is where you create your about us page, contact us page. You have your appearance. This is where you add themes. Your plugins, where you add plugins. Your users, where you add someone to become an admin of your website. Your tools. This is where you actually do carry out some functionalities on your website, and your settings. So now let's start from the setting area. So on the first setting you have the general. As you can see, the general. Now if you design a logo for your website, you can use here to like upload the logo. Okay, let's quickly run one. Let's go to canva.com. Okay, this is Canva. Now I'm just going to search your logo. So now let's look for something very fashion related. So let me click on categories in product, marketing, video, social media, business. They don't have, so let's do it this way. So let's look for one and just design something very fashionable. I like this, but it's actually a paid one and I need something that is free. So let's look for something more. Okay, okay, this is good. Now this wears and boutique shop are literally female linked, so we can use the color. We can use the color pink for the website. So Daisy. So I'm going to change this K to D, change the A to W, adjust the size, then take it upward a bit, then call the full name Daisy Wear. So let's change it. So this is it, guys. This is it. So I'm going to click on save. This is a basic logo though, it's not that beautiful, but I hope you just get the idea. Not like I'm a very professional logo designer or something. We have that in the office, someone does that, and I'm not too much into graphics or whatever, but it's fine though. I simply like the logo. So I'm gonna open it in my image. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go to a site called remove.bg. okay, so a website called remove.bg. now what this site does is sorry, it removes the background of your images and enable you design for design with ease. Sorry, it's enable you design with ease. So now I'm going to click on it. Very sorry, yes. So I'm going to click on it, click on edit with paints. All I want to do is to crop the image. Okay, so you crop it. So you're gonna select it and click on crop. As you can see, I've cropped the image. I'm gonna save the image. Save the image. Next thing I'm gonna do is to go back to remove.bg, upload image, upload file. Click on it, open. Then click on download. So now I have the image there. Now what you can do is to simply rename it to Daisy Wear. I'm going to click on it, and when you're done, you go back to your website. As you can see, then you come here, click on your site icon, click on upload, click on select file, select the file you just created, click on open. Now you can give it an alt text and the description, but I literally am not bothered about that, and so this is it. Now you want to leave the background. Okay, now this is the app this is this website icon as an app, or it's going to be like this as a website. So if you're doing it like for an application, if you're converting to application, you have to leave your background to be white, but I'm just doing it for a website, so I prefer this here. So I'm going to click on crop image. So this is how it will look this way, guys. That's how it will look on my browser. You're going to see DW, but if I'm doing an application, it's going to look like this, which I have to use a white text to make it look. But if I use a white text on favicon or site icon, it's not going to be nice. So this is it. Now one other thing you want to do is to click on save changes, so you don't lose your change. The next thing is to click on writing. Now as you can see, everything here has been set automatically, so you do not need to do anything here. Now go to reading. Anyway guys, everything here has literally been set. The only thing you need to do is to come to permalinks. Now on permalink, the permalink structure you want to pick, which is very SEO friendly, is post name, and you click on save changes. Now once you're done clicking on save changes, that is all guys. Next you come to appearance, come to themes. Now other themes, these are the old themes that comes with the website. So what you want to do is to click on add new theme. Now on add new theme, you want to look for a theme called Astra, as you can see this one. So you want to click on install. Now after installing, you click on activate. Now you see get started with starter template, so you click on it. So now what it's going to do is going to activate the starter template plugin for you to enable you to build your website. So you can use the AI website, but for me, I don't think AI is good enough to build a website. I think starter template is even better. To what I know, guys, I have literally not done that. It's been a while since I used WordPress, so I literally have not done that. So that's it. So let's pick one of the services, e-commerce. So this is e-commerce. Let's do online store or online shop. Okay, so there are different templates for online shop, as you can see. We're going to look for one that is okay. Okay, as you can see, there is this electronic shop, but it's actually a premium template, and you cannot literally use it for free unless you make payment for it. So there are other versions though, but you have to look for one that is very, very neat. As you can see, I still like this one, and this one is okay. So this one is still good, but this is better, guys. This is better. Since you're doing a fashion shop, this is better, guys. You've seen it, so click on it. So upload your logo again. This is your logo, guys. So as you can see, now you could play around with these things. You could change the text. As you can see, it's actually changing. You see party wears, and if you look very well at the P here, it's actually changing depending on the one you select. So this is quite good. So now for color, I think the pink is better if you ask me. Pink actually do work on ladies if you ask me. Well, whichever works, guys, whichever works. So you click on continue. Now select features. So what do you want? What features do you want? So you can say boost your sales, maximize your profits, and you click on continue. Now tell us a little bit about yourself. Admin, work email. Let's assume this is my work email. This is not. I'm a beginner. I am building the website for myself, not share non-sensitive data. I don't want to submit and build my website. Now you can still jump that process if you want to. Yes, you still jump the process. I hope the website learning process is not boring to you. If it is, please pause the video, take some time out, and you come back when you're ready to watch it, so you don't get too boring or you don't miss the steps. And if you're learning and creating at the same time, it's a good one, but don't overcomplicate your head. If you have any issue, you can just DM me on WhatsApp and tell me that this is what you're doing and you're making a mistake, and I'm going to assist you any way I can. Okay guys, your website has actually been created, so you can view your website from here. Click on view your website. You can go back to dashboard. So which do you want to do? So let's open the dashboard in a new tab and click on this. So that's it.